Hi everyone, this is Dawn Schaefer. I'm the Executive Director at Kishwaukee Special Recreation Association. And as we are all at home slowing the spread of the virus, I wanted to share with you a fun sensory thing that you can make that works with kids and adults. It's called moon sand. All you need is flour and baby oil. You take 8 cups of flour to 1 cup of baby oil. You mix it together. This is moon sand. So it looks like it's all crumbly, but when you put it together, it will stay. And it lasts for about a week, but you should probably change it more often. Hopefully that helps you get through the next few weeks. Again, all you need is flour and baby oil. I hope that everyone is well, and we look forward to seeing everyone back out in the world when this is all over. Remember, we're all in this together.